a lot of cheese. She don't really love it. So I just stick to what she loves. And it tastes really good. Alright. I already did some.
That's not an apple, Mama.
Yay! Good girl. Yay! So. And she asked her funny. Before she start crying for them, but.
Taste it now.
She get no sweet.
It's not sweet.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and you like family lifestyle and some travel content, please go ahead and subscribe. Guys, I'm going to show you what I'm meal prepping now for Zaya and for Xavier to take to work for his lunch. Alright, so this is Zaya's pasta. It's gluten-free, it's brown rice and quinoa. The ingredients are organic brown rice, organic quinoa. That's it. And she likes this marinara sauce, and the ingredients is organic tomato puree, water, organic tomato paste, organic diced tomatoes in organic tomato juice, salt, organic dried onions, organic dried garlic, organic garlic powder, organic dried basil, organic dried oregano. So it has good ingredients, and the ingredients are simple ingredients, no gums or anything like that. So she likes this. So I already boiled the pasta and I'm just going to put this on it. So it has some pasta water in the pot already, so I'm just gonna add the sauce, a lot of sauce, because she loves the sauce. And that's what I am making. I realize that when I put a lot of cheese, she don't really love it. So I just stick to what she loves. Simple ingredients, that is it. Just this. It already have a lot of things in there. Tomato, garlic, onion, oregano, basil. I don't need to add no lip and nothing. But she like a lot of sauce. So I put a lot on in. Alright, so the next thing I am making for her is it down? I think it's here. Grass-fed ground beef. This and this quinoa and brown rice. Again, simple ingredients. Only thing: water, organic long grain brown rice, organic red quinoa, organic garlic, organic olive oil, and sea salt. Just this ground beef. And when I'm making this, I just add onions, garlic, sweet pepper, sometimes carrot. That is it. And a little bit of seasoning because you don't want it salty. Simple. And then I meal prep these because I work from home and I don't want to be rushing to get her stuff. And she loves rice. So this is the first time I'm trying this. It's usually just rice. That I give her rice and chicken, or rice and ground beef, or something like that. But this is the first time I'm trying this. So I saw another mom talking about this on TikTok, so I'm gonna try this one. Stay tuned for the video. So this is how it looks. And it tastes really good. Alright, I already did some chicken, 2 batches. And guys, I always try to use a cast iron pan. It's good.
still left on it. Take a while and it's like a non-stop the whole place.
Exactly.
You like it, mama? Hmm? You like it? Say yay, yay, yay.
That's not an apple,
Oh, it's not
Mama.
an apple.
The ornament.
It's not an apple, my girl. But good try. Gotta take a liquor. I'll take a look where it is in a bit. Mash up in the box. Push open the box, I should say. Yeah, we're gonna lift her up.
Gosh.
Yay! Good girl. Yay! Good girl.
Thank you. Twinkle, twinkle. Yay!
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Wednesday. Well, come home from work early today. If I come home from work and say I relax, something always come up. So I have 4 chairs for assembly. So them I gotta take on right now. Rachel and I back like she a Spider Woman. The room sick. So let me show you. So these are the chair. That's the box of the chair coming in. So I'm gonna take them out of the box and start assembling them. And it's 4 simple chair. So buy it for go with the table. So if I can give it a look. So the
We
table.
bought them on Shein.
Yeah, we bought them on Shein. So this are the table where it go with the 4 chairs them. So then we have a little sale going, so we jump on it. Alright? Alright guys, so I have the whole of the 4 chairs them on the table. Basically just set up every single thing. We already assembled one already. So I'm gonna start build the rest of them. I already take out all of the screw them out of the box. I'll put them together. Wow. And then we just have to start screw them up now. But one thing with them chairs, I'm thinking them gonna be hard to put together, or should I say difficult? But no man, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, man. Engineer, well engineered, I wanna. Together. Put together quick and fast. I was surprised. Come there, I said, well, I'm going to put together in chair there now. Think that's something complicated, but thank God it wasn't.
Where's my phone?
Hmm?
My phone.
That's right, there's a record song. Yeah?
When you phone for like you have a computer.
Don't go with that phone. Go on that road with that phone. See that? Our phone is on the stand, you know? Put our phone on the tripod. Make sure I answer her phone. You have nothing like that, yeah?
It's my mom brain.
Hmm? Yes, I will.
It's my mom brain.
Go work on that. Alright guys, so I'm finished record that one and I'm finished assembling them. I can check back in, alright? Guys, so this is how the table and the chair turn out. Zaya just wake up, so she just had noticed them, so you know that go. She soon start climb on them. On grandma that time. Before she start climb on them, but it look good so far. I like them. And them comfortable. Zaya, you like them?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Thanksgiving. Xavier is prepping the carrots to make carrot juice, and I am making rice and peas and prepping to put some macaroni and cheese in the oven. So stay tuned for the video, guys. I am not a morning person, so and I am still having my tea. I am not a morning person, so if I look a certain way or sound a certain way, that is why. I am working on it though. So I already have coconut milk and the pasta is boiling. So I'm gonna grate the cheese them and set them aside to put in my macaroni and cheese.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, so today a food day, so we shall make some carrot juice. We did like a video the whole thing, but if I make the video too long, so after the carrot cut up over there, so I'm blend up some of it already. And this is how I blend up already so far. So we shall go sweeten it now. And then I go blend up the rest of them. Come on, I'm cut up too much carrot. I don't know how this is gonna work. What do you think, Dave?
No, I'm blend up too much.
I can blend up too much carrot. So
Yeah, I'm gonna make two
it
different
looks so
batch.
far. So I'm gonna make two different batch to get it. What do you need? You need it open?
Yeah, what, man?
Can I use this?
This not working.
Can you hold this one, please?
It's not working for real.
Okay. Alright. The two oil you born it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, if I that yes, then that can happen.
How you get this at? Most dollar store, Bombok, huh?
Don't put a lot of milk in there. Cause the supper is sweet.
Just shake it up, you know what you think? Right?
Don't shake it up.
You shake it up already?
Alright, pull it. So if you shake it up already, why you shake it up again for?
I don't know. My brain work.
A wrong side.
Run. Good job.
I put half of it in there in the car.
Yes, because I did one, did forgo it one. Is that half?
You don't know, you know, but
Stop now.
Yes, that's a rhino.
put the dragon in there.
Hmm.
Rhino.
The whole light?
No.
Rhino.
Yeah, stop. Left feet. Go so. Put cinnamon.
You know, I'm on Spitfire.
Vanilla. That's another Spitfire. I'll do it. Say whatever dragon. Vanilla. And I'm gonna put a little bit of rose water almond because this kind of more. Yeah, put a little bit. Just that.
Yeah. Can't mix it too much, you know, because I want it overflow the banking.
You want to go for the bank?
No, you know you mix it and it just a run over. Should have one bigger container to mix it, you know. Only for juices, you know?
And you have more carrot for your
So by the time I blend up the rest of the carrot, only for juices.
By 12 o'clock, I'm supposed to finish school.
You think so?
I level 13 now.
So he can swim like a fish.
One tea.
Fresh.
You want a little sugar?
But don't make it too sweet, you know?
Not gonna be too sweet.
Yes, I say.
This much? I think it was a little bit more.
Bumbo. I can't to mix it too much because the container is not a big container. So. But the only thing with cooking, you know, you have to constantly clean while you cook.
Taste it now. Taste.
It's alright.
Alright now?
Mm.
I'm yet to find nutmeg. I can't find a nutmeg. And that would have.
So that do I put over the top?
Wait there. I think I have some mixed spice and nutmeg in there.
I'll put some mixed spice in there.
Put little in the car. Nutmeg in there.
You know, it's a whole bunch of times that season they trick me. The other day, I cook some season some chicken there. Oh, I see me I throw that on it, you know.
You must look on the package.
I said, no, so you think of season. I put on my meat, even though people put it on their meat. When you cook it with the chicken the other day, it tastes one funny way.
What is that?
That one, it tastes one funny way.
Taste it now good.
Right, this one?
I have to taste it for myself.
I didn't come taste it. How it tastes?
A little salt.
You want a little salt?
And it's fresh.
I mean it's fresh. You can't make it too sweet. You know what I get some?
Yeah, but that no say for bread.
Like it's there with some you have to put all ice all and that. Make it kind of water down. You get no sweet.
It's not sweet?
How it tastes now?
Yeah.
That's good now? Alright guys, so this is what it looks so far. We're gonna take out this and put it now and put it in that container, yeah. And then we're gonna make some more. We have some more back we put it in. Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the vlog.